Okay, so today's drawing we are going to be doing a window sill, sill detail and the head detail in a standard cavity wall. The first thing we are going to start with is we're going to start with the sill detail, and we're going to draw the wall on which the sill is sitting on, which the window board is sitting on. Okay, so starting out then, at the base draw your 335mm wide standard cavity wall. Your 100, your 100, your 5, and then your 100. On this side we're going to go up a distance of 500. Same on that one. So that is the internal wall drawn. The insulation also goes up the same distance, the internal. Okay. The external wall, okay, will go up 35mm. Okay, so the internal wall, internal insulation, cavity, external wall. Do that for me. Okay, so the next thing we're going to draw is we're going to draw the concrete windowsill. So the concrete windowsill goes in here. Just a little capillary groove right there. Concrete windowsill is reinforced with steel. On the outside we will have our external render, and then on the, of course, the insulation goes to the top. On the inside we're going to have our window board. Inside we have our internal render. And underneath the windowsill and wrapped around the windowsill is some DPC. Then we put in our window board. So our window board will project out in this instance. A square window board. We're going to come to the middle of the window board. And see. Now, I want you to do that much for me. Okay, so I've just chamfered off these two edges Then I have also put in the remainder of the window board down here. So the glass then sits in here, but before that we're going to put in the wall going up. I'm not going to draw a lot of the wall in, so that's the external and internal render taken up. We'll take a line across. Okay, then what we'll do is we take the window board line up on the inside here and on the outside there. Then what we'll do is we'll show it in 3 different colours. We're going to take 3 layers of glass. I don't want to say it's triple glazing, so I'm going to go with the green layer. Purple layer. And in the middle, I'm going to go with. So that signifies the 3 panes of glass. We're going to say that this is a wooden window board, so we're going to hatch it showing end grain down there, and at the bottom we are going to fill this in to show that this is sealed. So sealed in at the window, and there's also a seal here and a seal there on the window. Okay, have a go with that. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the head detail. So we're going to draw our lines up from the sides, our external and internal render. We're going to cut off at the top, the head of the window. And then what we are going to do is we are going to take our line. So what I'm doing here is I'm coming to the wall at the bottom, and I'm taking it from the top and I'm taking it down and I'm stopping. So it's the wall on both sides and down and I'm stopping. Okay, and that line is taken straight across like so. Okay, now so we're going to do the wall up here, so then we should be coming in our 10mm. Then we come in our cavity, sorry, our insulation. Then we come in our wall on the far side. Okay. Then we're going to cut that off at the bottom. Okay. So, have a go with that for me. Okay, so the cavity is closed off with some extra insulation up here. Okay, then we're going to draw our window head. So the window head is in line with the window head at the bottom and should have similar dimensions. So then we're going to take our glazing up, our green, orange, purple. I'm also going to take up sides of the window, or the sides of the window frame. Here. Have a go with that for me. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put in the wall plates at the top. So they are 75 high and they are reinforced. You're also going to do this similar configuration up here. as is insulation, you're going to put the hatching symbol for insulation up along there, and you're also going to put stepped DPC up, over and across the wall. So we are going to hatch this item here, shade this portion of the window in, okay. Put in wall tie, holds the insulation in, okay. And that's your scale drawn, more or less done. So what I want you to do is, I want you to name the main components that are in it, okay, hatch it, finish off your hatching, do all your colouring in, and remember what we have here: if we scale 1 to 10, a window sill and head.